Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Senator Magnus has assured Rivers people of an enabling environment for industrialization and economic development if given a chance to preside over affairs of the state come 2023. Senator Magnus gave the assurance while addressing supporters at a rally tagged 1 million man march for Senator Magnus, which was put together by numerous support groups rooting for the former representative of Rivers Southeast Senatorial District.
Supporters of Senator Magnus, governorship candidate of the Social Democratic Party SDP in Rivers State, recently organized a 1 million man march in Port Harcourt in solidarity with his governorship ambition. The march took off from Artillery bus stop and terminated at the Port Harcourt Polo Club, where Senator addressed his teeming supporters.
Education will be better. We have told you that since Transamadi was built, no other industrial estate has been established in this state. We will establish some more. We have told you that giving opportunities to our people to get jobs and employment is not something that will be done by force or by fiat. We will create an atmosphere in which Rivers people can make money.
In the build-up to the 2023 governorship election, the major political parties are already throwing brickbats at each other. Senator however, made it clear that his campaign will be issue-based and devoid of inciting comments capable of derailing peaceful political transition in Rivers State.
I don't want to quarrel with anybody. I don't want to fight with anybody because I want Rivers people to have a peaceful transition. I want the governor of Rivers State, if there is a problem on his desk, to be able to pick up the phone and call the former governor and say, sorry sir, this file here, I don't understand it. What is happening here? What is happening here? And he'll be able to tell you, my friend, look at that, you will see it there. That way, Rivers people will benefit from everybody's experience.
Senator Magnus, former senator representing Rivers Southeast Senatorial District in the Senate, is a one-time secretary to the Rivers State government. Between 1999 and 2007, he served as minority leader of the Rivers State House of Assembly and was later appointed Commissioner for Information. In the 2023 governorship race, Senator stands out as the most experienced candidate in the business of governance. His supporters are optimistic that he will bring his wealth of experience to bear in the governance of Rivers State come 2023.
At the Senate, he was presenting me. When he stand up to speak, he speaks like someone who is well equipped and well ready for that job.
He has been within the corridor of power for a while and he understands what it takes to give Rivers people good governance, and that is what will make the difference.
One of those rooting for Senator is Senator Wilson Ake, a former senator representing Rivers West Senatorial District in the Senate. Senator Ake says the SDP governorship candidate has no serious contender in the race and will turn out to be the best thing to happen to Rivers State.
We are going to give you a level playing ground for you to succeed, and excel in Rivers State. And the man who is properly trained and exposed to do that for you is Senator Magnus Abe.
Senator Magnus Abe, a grassroots politician, is a household name across 23 local government areas of Rivers State. His campaign team describes the massive turnout of his supporters at the 1 million man march as a testament to his unrivaled popularity in the governorship race.
Inside the Niger Delta,